In this video, we're going to explore broadcast WAV files and the new AD export options in Closed Caption Creator. If you're working in broadcast WAV format files are a standard you may be familiar with. Similar to WAV files, BWF files can include additional metadata that can be used in other downstream workflows. Examples of metadata include timecode, track names, track descriptions, and more. Other applications that support BWF files, such as Media Composer or DaVinci Resolve, are able to read and display the embedded metadata to assist in other workflows. Now, let's explore the new Audio Description Exporter in Closed Caption Creator. This feature allows you to specify an export location for your audio description files. You have the option to export a selection of events rather than the entire project, providing greater control over your output. A drop-down menu offers various export profiles, including FLAC, MP3, and WAV formats. Selecting one of the WAV options as your export profile reveals a new section for BWF metadata. Here, you can enable metadata insertion and input values for the title, description, and reference time for the timecode track. Once you've configured your export settings, simply click Export, and Closed Caption Creator will begin generating your audio description files in the designated export folder. Once the export is complete, you'll find several files in your chosen export folder. The first set are your raw voiceover (VO) tracks. These are unprocessed and ready to be imported into a digital audio workstation, or DAW, for custom mixing and mastering. This gives you complete control over the final audio. In addition to the raw VO tracks, you'll also find a Mixdown file. This is a full program mix incorporating your audio description track. If you've enabled ducking or loudness processing in Closed Caption Creator, those settings will be applied to this Mixdown file. Now, to demonstrate the embedded metadata, let's open this Mixdown file in a program called BWF Meta Edit. As you can see, all the information we entered earlier, like the title, description, and timecode reference, is now embedded within the audio file itself. This confirms that the BWF metadata was successfully written during the export process. If you have any questions about our AD workflows or our AD plugin for Closed Caption Creator, please feel free to reach out to our sales and support team. To sign up for Closed Caption Creator, please visit www.closedcaptioncreator.com.